Hello, I'm Ed, the business rescue expert, and I'm going to answer some of your questions about administration. Administration is a formal insolvency process. It can be started by either the company itself, its directors, or its creditors. It's normally used when a company is insolvent but believes it can return to solvency or be sold for a higher amount if it is able to utilize the legal protections that administration grants. The administrator must be a licensed insolvency practitioner who, once appointed, takes control of the company, either to rescue it in its current form or to sell its assets to get the highest possible return to creditors. So, how does administration work? Usually, when directors are concerned about their company's solvency, they will seek advice from an insolvency practice, such as business rescue expert. The company's financial situation will be reviewed and discussions held with other key stakeholders, such as large creditors or banks. If it is deemed suitable, plans are then formulated to place the company into administration. Usually this process takes 2 to 3 weeks. However, this can be done much quicker if there are imminent legal actions that need to be held back. A formal board meeting then has to be held and the appropriate documents filed with the court before the administrator is officially appointed. What happens next depends on what the objectives are. It may be that the company will trade under administration, whilst a restructuring agreement, such as a company voluntary arrangement, is agreed with its creditors. Or, the administration may decide to sell the company's assets, either in a prepack deal, whereby the sale is concluded as quickly as possible, or they may trade the business and use this time to market the company for sale. If these options fail, and the administrator feels the business can't be saved, the company may be closed and its assets sold. So, does administration prevent liquidation? Going into administration automatically activates a legal moratorium, which stops the threat of compulsory liquidation and creditors taking other enforcement action like appointing bailiffs. Once appointed, a company has full legal protection against any debts accrued prior to administration. However, it can only continue trading if it is able to repay any new debts incurred. What happens with a company's directors in administration? The administrator takes day-to-day charge of the business, and the director's powers are removed. If the administrator is intending on trading the company, then he will consider which staff, including directors, are essential to the company. Everyone else is likely to be made redundant. What is prepack administration? This is where a sale of the company's business and its assets are negotiated prior to administration. The sale then takes place as soon as possible after the company enters administration. This can either be to the existing management or a new third party coming in to take over the business. By completing the sale quickly, the administrator is able to avoid the risks and costs associated with running the business whilst in administration. Contact Business Rescue Expert to find out more, including how to get the process started. Let the business rescue experts help you help yourself.